we already have this list of numbers starting from 2, and I need 5 numbers. Now, we want to compare this list of numbers with a number, let's say, in between 1 and 10. I'm going to set this one to 1, and let us see the output. Let me copy this one over here. And all these numbers are greater than 1. Quite simple. Are they equal? Are they larger or equal? Yes, they are. How about this one? 2, 3. Oh, this number is greater than 2. So the first one is false. And look at these two. Greater than. So how about if I set this one to 9? All of them are false and all of them are false. Let's go back to 6. So 6 is larger than 6. It has to be larger or equal in order to be true. So be aware of that from this component. And it's right here. Larger than.